So MR is the derivative of TR. MR is the derivative of TR. So MR is equal to 125 into derivative of Q will be 1 minus the derivative of Q raised to power 2.5 will be 2.5 into Q raised to power 2.5 minus 1 पावर कम कर दी जाती है. So it will be this is Ayan Sherwani. So the MR will become 125 into 1 will be 125 minus 2.5 and Q raised to power 2.5 minus 1 will be 1.5. This is MR, marginal revenue. And the third one, we have to find AR. So this is TR, this is MR. Now we'll find AR. AR is the average revenue. So that is TR upon Q. TR upon Q. TR is this one. We will take this one or this one, anyone. If we take this one, so that will become 125Q minus Q raised to power 2.5 divided by Q. So now we'll separate them. We will separate them. AR will become 125Q upon Q minus Q raised to power 2.5 upon Q. So that will become, Q is cancelled by Q. So AR will become 125 minus Q raised to power 2.5 minus 1. This, when it is divided by Q, so Q raised to power 1 will be subtracted from 2.5. It will become Q raised to power 1.5. मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं तो पावर ऐड हो जाती हैं और डिवाइड होते हैं तो पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी. ये मल्टीप्लाई हुआ था तो पावर 1.5 प्लस 1 क्या हुआ था 2.5. अब 2.5 माइनस 1 करेंगे, जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो माइनस 1 करेंगे तो 1.5. So this is AR. AR is equal to 125 minus Q raised to power 1.5. Q raised to power 1.5. This is AR. तो ये हमने तीनों एक्सप्रेशन निकाल ली, TR, MR and AR. TR, MR and AR. All the three expressions. That was the A part. Is the slope of MR, is the slope of MR curve twice the slope of the AR curve? अच्छा, स्लोप अब इसमें देखते हैं, MR और AR का स्लोप. MR is equal to 125 minus 2.5 Q raised to power 1.5 and AR is 125 minus Q raised to power 1.5. So what is the slope? ये हमने पढ़ा था when we studied the straight lines. स्ट्रेट लाइन जब हमने पढ़ी थी तो उसमें हमने आपको बताया था स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन. स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ द स्ट्रेट लाइन. वो क्या था? y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. That was the standard equation of the straight line. जब हमने स्ट्रेट लाइन का चैप्टर पढ़ा था उसमें हमने बताया था y is equal to mx plus c. On the right side should be mx plus c. On the left side should be y. On the left side should be y. When on the left side is y and on the right side is equal to mx plus c, then the coefficient of x is called the slope. Coefficient of x is called the slope. So y is a function of x. Here y is a function of x. Or here mr is the function of q. mr is the function of q. So on the left side mr is equal to, on the right side is 125 minus 2.5 q. This to power 1.5. Therefore the coefficient of q is minus 2.5. The coefficient of q is minus 2.5 in mr. This is the slope in mr. The slope of mr is minus 2.5. The coefficient of q. Here also the coefficient of x is called the slope. Or this is the slope of the mr is 2.5 and here the slope of ar is 1. The coefficient of q is 1. Coefficient of q raised to power 1.5 is 1. तो यहाँ 1 है और यहाँ coefficient of q of 1.5 is minus 2.5. So this is not double. This is 2.5 times more. This is 2.5 times more than this one. This is minus 1. This is minus 2.5. ये 2 नहीं है. 2 होता तो डबल होता. 2 होता तो डबल होता. ये this is 2.5. This is 1. This is 2.5. If we divide 2.5 by minus 1, minus 2.5 is divided by minus 1. Answer is equal to 2.5. This is not 2. This is more than 2. So it is asked, इसमें पूछा ये गया है, is the slope of the MR curve twice the slope of the AR curve? No. The slope of MR is twice, not the twice of the slope of AR. This is 1, this is 2.5. So your answer is no. No, it is not twice. It is 2.5 times more than the slope of AR. This slope, इसका slope जो है 2.5 times more than the slope of this one. AR. AR का slope 1 था, इसका slope 2.5 है. AR का slope 1 था. The coefficient of x is called the slope. The coefficient of the variable on which the y depends. Y is a function of x. And here mr is the function of q. तो q का फंक्शन है तो q का जो कोफिशिएंट होगा वो स्लोप होगा. यहाँ भी ar is the function of q. तो q का जो स्लोप होगा वो इसका q का जो कोफिशिएंट होगा. This is the slope of ar. This is minus 1. This is minus 2.5. Therefore it is not double. It is not double. So your answer will be no. It is 2.5 of the slope of ar. अब उसके बाद फिर वही है, इवेल्युएट टी आर एम आर ए आर एट क्यू इज इक्वल टू 10, क्यू इज इक्वल टू 25. अब इसमें दो वैल्यू पर निकालनी है, टी आर एम आर और ए आर, व्हेन क्यू इज इक्वल टू 10 एंड व्हेन क्यू इज इक्वल टू 25. बोथ वैल्यूज पर हमने निकालनी है. तो हम इसमें पहले क्यू इज इक्वल टू 10 पुट करेंगे, उस पर वैल्यू निकालेंगे, फिर क्यू इज इक्वल टू 25 उस पर वैल्यू निकालेंगे. सुहेब असलम. Okay. Now we will find the value of TR. We will find the value of TR when Q is equal to 10 and when Q is equal to 25. This is the B part. Find the value of evaluate TR, MR and AR at Q is equal to 10 and Q is equal to 25. So at Q is equal to 10. First at Q is equal to 10. So TR will become 125 into 10 minus 10 raised to power 2.5. TR में ये वैल्यू रख देंगे, 10 को रिप्लेस कर देंगे, सॉरी Q को रिप्लेस कर देंगे 10 से. Q is replaced by 10. So TR will become 125 into 10 minus 10 raised to power 2.5. So it will become 1250 and minus 10 raised to power 2.5. 10 raised to power 2.5. कितना हो जाएगा भाई? I think it will be 300 something. जी कैलकुलेटर से आप कीजिए बेटा. हाँ भाई. 316.22. Good. Now subtract 1250 minus 316.22. That will become 933.78. This is the answer when Q is equal to 10. अब Q is equal to 25 पर भी TR निकाल लेंगे. At Q is equal to 25. So TR will become 125 into 25 minus 25 raised to power 2.5. Yes. So 125 into 25. क्या आंसर होगा भाई? 125 into 25.
3,125.
3,125. Good. Minus 25 raised to power 2.5. ये भी शायद यही होगा. It will also be यही है 3125. So the answer is 0. Answer is 0. तो हमारे पास टोटल रेवेन्यू 0 आ रहा है when Q is 25. Total revenue 933 आ रहा है when Q is 10. So it is better to produce 10 quantity. It is better to produce 10 numbers so that we get the revenue this month. इसमें तो हमें revenue 0 ही मिल रहा है. Total revenue TR, the total revenue we are getting 0. So this is not feasible for us. This is not feasible for the monopolist. This is feasible for monopolist. 933.3. So Q10 is feasible for the monopolist. 25 is not feasible. 25 is not sensible for the monopolist. 10 is sensible for monopolist. He is getting positive TR, some revenue. He is collecting some revenue, 933.78. And here is getting 0 revenue at 25. So it is better to produce 10. It is better to produce 10. Okay. In the same way, we have to find MR. We will find MR when Q is 10 and when Q is 25. MR सबसे पहले हम अब निकालेंगे MR. MR का हम पहले फंक्शन लिख लेते हैं. MR was, this is the expression for MR, 125 minus 2.5 Q raised to power 1.5. This is MR. Now at A, B part, at Q is equal to 10, MR will become 125 minus 2.5 into 10 raised to power 1.5. Anyone may convey the message to Muhammad Saqib. He must write his ID. He must write his ID. Okay. What is the answer? So 2.5 into 10 raised to power 1.5. जी बेटा बताइए, कोई तो बताए। 125 minus 2.5 into 10 raised to power 1.5. I think it might be between 75 and 80. Yes. क्या हो गया भाई आप लोगों को? कैलकुलेटर होने के बावजूद आप कर नहीं रहे फटाफट।
$79.
79.05, sir.
79.05. Very good. Now 125 minus 79.05. So 80, 45.95, I think. 45.95. This is the answer when Q is 10.
Yes, sir. सही.
उसके बाद हम when Q is 25. At Q is 25. So MR will become 125 minus 2.5 into 25 raised to power 1.5. So 125 minus 2.5 into 25 raised to power 1.5. So what? This is 125 minus this is MR. इसका आंसर 25 raised to power 1.5 will be, I think, 125. 125 into 2.5. 250. Yes, Mariam.
Sir, 312. 312.5.
312.5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 125 minus 312, 312.5. So what will be the answer? The negative answer will be there.
Minus 187.5.
Minus 187.5.
0.5.
This is the answer. So now here we can see the marginal revenue is positive 45.95 at when Q is 10. 10 पर जो है मैं मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू पॉजिटिव मिल रहा है और 25 पर जो है मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू इज नेगेटिव. सो नेगेटिव is not acceptable. Marginal revenue negative is not acceptable. Even zero is not acceptable. So positive is sensible. This is acceptable. This is feasible. When Q is 10, we are getting MR 45.95. That is almost 46. So it is acceptable. But when Q is 25, marginal revenue is minus 187.5. So this is not acceptable. Negative revenue is not acceptable at all. So this is sensible. This is feasible when Q is 10. In the same way, we will find AR. Now Mariam Noor came. Okay. So now AR, we will find AR. The formula for the AR, the expression for the AR is
TR upon Q.
G 125 minus Q raised to power 1.5. That was the expression. We have already found TR, MR, AR. Now the part we are doing, Q is equal to 10. So AR will become 125 minus 10 raised to power 1.5. So it will become 125 minus 10 raised to power 1.5. G
31.622.
31.622. Okay. So 125 minus 31.622. Or
93.678.
93.678. ये हमने Q10 पर निकाला. When Q is 10. So 93.678. 678. This is AR when Q is 10. Now at Q is equal to 25. So AR will become 125 minus 25 raised to power 1.5. It will become 125 minus 25 raised to power 1.5.
सर 125 ही आ रही है
जी 125 ही आ रही है जी. तो 0 आ गया. It means this is 0. तो ये भी हमारे लिए 25 फिजिबल नहीं है. AR भी हमारे लिए फिजिबल नहीं है कि 10 पर जो है we are getting some positive value, but at 25 we are getting 0. The average revenue is 0 at 25, but at 10 we are getting 93.678. So therefore 25 is not feasible for us. 25 is not sensible for the monopolist. 10 is feasible, 10 is sensible, 25 is not sensible. So that we had to do in this question. Now C part. Calculate the value of Q for which MR is equal to 0. We will find the value of Q when MR is equal to 0. तो MR को हम 0 सपोज कर देंगे, यहाँ 0 पुट कर देंगे and we will solve the question. equation. For the C part, find Q when MR is 0. Find Q when MR is 0. तो MR की जगह हम 0 पुट कर देंगे. MR will be replaced by 0 in the equation of the MR. So therefore, it will become 0 is equal to 125 minus 2.5 Q raised to power 1.5. ये इस तरफ ले आएंगे. Minus 2.5 Q will become 2.5 Q raised to power 1.5 is equal to 125. Now we will divide by 2.5. We will divide by 2.5. It will become Q raised to power 1.5 is equal to 125 divided by 2.5.
50 answer.
50. So Q raised to power 1.5 is 50. क्या है? Q raised to power 1.5 is 50. So how to find Q? अगर ये पावर 2 होती तो हम स्क्वायर रूट ले लेते दोनों तरफ ताकि ये Q आ जाता. अब ये पावर 1.5 है तो हम इसका 1.5 रूट ले लेंगे. So how to get that root? Q will become 50 raised to power 1 over 1.5. ये पावर 1.5 है तो 1 over 1.5 दोनों तरफ कर देंगे तो ये Q आ जाएगा और यहां इसकी आंसर ले लेंगे. अगर ये पावर 2 होता तो 1 over 2 पावर ले लेते. अगर ये Q raised to power 3 होता तो यहां पावर 1 over 3 ले लेते, यानी रूट उसका. That means 1 over the number n, it means the root. If it is Q raised to power n, so to find Q, we have to take 1 over n. That is the nth root of Q. Nth root of Q. So 50 का nth root ले ले 1 over 1.5. Find the answer. Find the answer. ओके जी बेटा, इसका रूट लीजिए. 50 का रूट 1 upon 1.5, the power of 1 upon 1.5. जी
13.57.
13.57. This is the answer. Q is equal to 13.57. Find Q when MR is 0. So MR की इक्वेशन में हमने MR is equal to 125 minus 2.5 Q raised to power 1.5. MR is replaced by 0. 0 is equal to 125 minus 2.5 Q raised to power 1.5. इसको इस तरफ ले आएंगे. Minus 2.5 Q raised to power 1.5 is shifted on the left side. It will become 2.5 Q raised to power 1.5 is equal to 125. Then we divide it by 2.5. So Q raised to power 1.5 will become 125 upon 2.5. The answer is 50. Now this is the answer. 50 is Q raised to power 1.5. We have to find the value of Q only, not Q raised to power 1.5 or Q raised to power 2 or Q raised to power whatever it is. So what will we do? we will take the 1.5 root of 50. बोथ साइड्स हमने इस तरफ भी रूट किया 1/1.5, इस तरफ भी रूट किया, इस तरफ रूट से कैंसिल हो गया, दैट इज q इज इक्वल टू एंड 50 रेज टू पावर 1/1.5. दिस इज द रूट. 1 अपॉन कर दे तो उसका रूट बन जाता है. अगर ये पावर 2 होता 1/2 कर देते तो इसका 2 का रूट बन जाता, सेकंड रूट. 3 पावर होती तो 1/3 कर देते तो थर्ड रूट बन जाता. तो अब 1.5 है तो 1/1.5 कर दिया, तो 50 raised to power 1/1.5, it will become 13.57. This is the value of q when mr equal to 0. Find the value of q, calculate the value of q for which mr equal to 0. तो ये हमने इसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर ली when mr equal to 0. अब वो कहता है कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ q for which ar equal to 0. अब कहता है ar 0 निकालें. Calculate the value of q when ar equal to 0. C पार्टी है ये, when ar equal to 0. Calculate the value of q when ar equal to 0. ar में हम 0 पुट कर देंगे यहाँ पर. ar is equal to 125 minus q raised to power 1.5. यहाँ पर ar की जगह 0, therefore 0 is equal to 125 minus q raised to power 1.5. q raised to power 1.5 को इस तरफ ले आएंगे, नेगेटिव है तो इट विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. q raised to power 1.5 is equal to 125. To find the value of q, we have to take the 1.5th root. Therefore, q will be equal to 125 raised to power 1.5. No, sorry, 1/1.5. (125) fifth 1/√1 of 1.5 root. That means 1/1.5. Use your calculator to get the answer. I think it will become 625.
25.
25. Very good. So q is 25. q is 25. When ar equal to 0, q is 25. So these are the answers we found. When mr equal to 0, when ar equal to 0, find the value of q. So when mr equal to 0, the value of q was, and when ar equal to 0, the value of q became 25. That was the C part. Now in the same question, at what point, that means the value of q, does the sale of further units first start to reduce total revenue? So total revenue is this formula. If it is 0, q is 0, it will become 0. This into 0 in this 0 raised to power this, it will become 0. इस तरह अब हमने 10 पर निकाला था, इसका टोटल रेवेन्यू 0 हमारे पास आया था, अभी हमने निकाला. उसके बाद जो है ये बढ़ेगा, उसके बाद जो वैल्यू हमने होगी उस पर ज्यादा होगी. पहले हमने 10 पर निकाला तो कितना आया था, फिर 25 पर निकाला, उस पर कितना आया था, 0 आया था टोटल रेवेन्यू 25 पर. इन द बी पार्ट वी फाउंड. तो उसमें हम देखेंगे कि किस पर हमारे पास 10 पर आ रहा है, उसके ज्यादा, अगर उससे और आगे बढ़ते हैं हम तो फिर उस पर कितना आ रहा है, उससे और ज्यादा क्यू की वैल्यू रखते हैं फिर कितना आ रहा है. जिस पर कम होना शुरू हो जाए तो वो समझे हमारा मैक्सिमम वैल्यू हो. तो 10 पर हम निकाल चुके हैं, 11 पर देख लीजिए, 12 पर देख ले, 13 पर देख ले, तो कितना आ रहा है। तो वो हम डिफरेंट वैल्यूज इस पर चेक करेंगे। TR पर 10 पर तो हम निकाल चुके हैं, अब 10 से ज्यादा की वैल्यू पर देखेंगे। 11 पर चेक करेंगे, 11 पुट करेंगे, 12 पुट करेंगे, 13 पुट